Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Cyber Security. In this video we will discuss about what is firewall and where is implement. Okay, I am sharing my screen. I hope my screen is visible. So here is this is the firewall. Okay, he is implement between network and our system. Okay, so we will discuss about what is firewall. So firewall is a network security device, either hardware or software, where which monitor all incoming and outgoing traffic based on defined set of security rules that which data accept and data will drop. Okay, so firewall is network security device, either we can say software and hardware, okay, which monitors all incoming and outgoing traffic based on defined set of security rules which data accept and which data drop. Okay, firewall is implement a firewall is set on private IP address and public IP address. Here is visible. This is our public private IP address and this is public IP address. Firewall is implement between two IP public and private IP address. Okay. Uh, we will talk about how many types of firewall. So here is five types of firewall. First is packet filtering firewall, where firewall check only headers like IP address, packet type, and port number, not check in data, not check in actual data which travel in the port packet filtering. Packet filtering used for only IP address check. Packet filtering will be check only IP address. And second is circuit level firewall. So this is monitoring only TCP handshake and other network protocol session. This is work only session is running and new connection start. Okay, circuit level firewall monitoring only TCP handshake and other network protocol session. This is work only if the session is running and the session is start. Okay, third is application level firewall. Application level gateway work as a proxy firewall. Okay, a proxy firewall prevents the direct connection between either side of the firewall. So this is the third type of application level firewall. And fourth is stateful infection firewall. Mention a session table and then send the response to the client. First of all, state level firewall mention its session table and then send response to the client. It is multi-layer inspection firewall which consider OSI model 7 layer, application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, and uh, data link layer. Okay, and fifth is NGF, new generation firewall. NGF means new generation firewall. So combines with stateful. This is combines with stateful inspection firewall and also include some variety of deep packet infection. ओके, न्यू जनरेशन फायरवॉल जो बेसिकली है वो स्टेटफुल फायरवॉल का कॉम्बिनेशन है और ये जो फायरवॉल है दिस इज ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट, इसको अपडेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। ये जो फायरवॉल अगर हम इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे अपने सिस्टम में तो दिस इज ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट। एंड सिक्स्थ इज this is not firewall, but every time interviewer can ask you question ki what is stateless firewall. So here is I have mentioned this is one that information about the current state of network connection. Stateless it means कि जो भी करंट स्टेट है वो नेटवर्क कनेक्शन का ये स्टोर नहीं करता। ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन जो भी नेटवर्क कनेक्शन का जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होता है ये स्टेटलेस फायरवॉल है जो स्टोर नहीं करता। ओके, एंड other thing question is कि what is IPS in firewall. So I have mentioned कि what is IPS. IPS full form an intrusion prevention system. IPS full form is intrusion prevention system is a network security tool which can be software and hardware device which continuously monitor a network for malicious activity and takes action to prevent it. IPS mainly work on prevent this prevent this attack, prevent this malicious activity in our system. Okay, and second is कि what is IDS in firewall. Firewall basically we have implement two types in IPS types and IDS types. IPS is basically work for uh, uh, prevent this prevent this malicious activity for our system, and IDS work only detect the malicious activity and generate the alert message about this threat. ओके, अगर कोई थ्रेट आ रहा है जिसको कि फायरवॉल में लिस्टिंग नहीं की गई है कि किस किस पोर्ट नंबर से जो डेटा आए उसको आने दे एंड उसको प्रिवेंट करे, तो इस अगर वो डेटा उसमें से मैच हो रहा है तो ये तो कुछ नहीं करेगा, बट अदर साइड से अदर पोर्ट नंबर से अगर कोई डेटा आ रहा है तो ये उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए एक अलर्ट मैसेज जारी करेगा, एक अलर्ट मैसेज बेल आइकन, एक अलर्ट मैसेज सेंड करेगा ओके आवर सिस्टम में कि भाई ये जो डेटा आ रहा है, ये जो लिंक है, जो भी है चीज़ जो मलेशियस वायरस हो सकती है, तो उसके लिए अपने सिस्टम को ये अलर्ट मैसेज सेंड करेगा, जिससे कि जो भी सिस्टम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर है, जो भी यूज़र्स है, वो उसको एक्टिवेट ना करे, उसको अपने सिस्टम में आने से प्रिवेंट करे। तो आईडीएस का जो बेसिकली वर्क है वो ये अलर्ट मैसेज जनरेट करता है, एंड आईपीएस का जो है उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए पूरी पूरी उस जो भी मलेशियस एक्टिविटी है उसको वो पूरे तरीके से प्रिवेंट कर देता है। तो आई होप my video is useful for your cyber security interview questions. So we will soon we will very soon we will meet very soon. I hope this video is useful for you.